Welcome to this clear and concise tutorial on how to add a new administrator user in WordPress. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to invite a new user with full administrator privileges, perfect for website owners who want to delegate tasks or expand their team. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, move to the top right corner and click Login. This is your entry point to manage your WordPress account. On the login screen, you'll notice several ways to sign in. To make things easy, select Continue with Google. If you're already signed into Google on your browser, this step will be nearly instant. No extra passwords needed. This convenient login method streamlines your access and keeps the process secure. After logging in, you'll arrive at your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, locate and click on Users. This section displays a list of all current users on your site, including their names, roles, and permissions. Next, click on Add New User. This is where you can invite a new member to your WordPress site. The interface is simple and easy to follow. Now, fill in the required details. Most importantly, the email address or username of the person you want to add. Make sure the information is accurate since WordPress will use it to send an invitation. Once done, locate the role drop-down menu and select Administrator. This role grants a new user full access to manage your website, including posts, pages, plugins, and settings. Only assign this role to people you trust to have complete control over your site. Finally, click Send Invitation. WordPress will send an automated email to the new user with instructions on how to accept and complete the registration. And that's it! You've successfully added a new administrator to your WordPress website quickly, securely, and without any complications. By following these steps, you can manage your team efficiently and maintain better control over your online platform. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more WordPress tutorials that help you build smarter, faster, and better.